Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himavati Kumbantabam. First, the headlines. BJP Manipur Pradesh MLAs set to attend crucial meeting in New Delhi today following call sent by BJP High Command. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla inaugurates two-day national seminar on renowned theatre maestro Ratan Tiyam at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, JNMDA, Infraction. And today's generation should strive to understand incidents from historic past, asserts United People's Front President N. Kuki-Zo. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. 4 BJP MLAs from Manipur are all prepared to attend a meeting set for 4 p.m. today at Din Dayal Upadhyaya Marg in New Delhi today. 23 MLAs including ex-Chief Minister N. Biren and Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyabrata left Imphal for New Delhi yesterday. 3 more MLAs who are outside Manipur due to personal works have also arrived in Delhi, while 7 Kuki-Zo MLAs are also reported to have arrived in Delhi from Guwahati. It may be noted that BJP leaders will be joining the meeting to be held at BJP headquarters at Din Dayal Upadhyaya Marg in New Delhi today. BJP national spokesperson and Northeast coordinator Dr. Sambit Patra had informed personally to the MLAs to attend the meeting through telephonic conversation on December 11. Moreover, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sardar had already stationed in New Delhi for the state meeting. It may be mentioned that several MLAs believe that the meeting will focus on formation of popular government in Manipur. Speaking to media before leaving Manipur, ex-Chief Minister N. Biren said, positive steps will surely be brought as desired by the people of Manipur. Governor of Manipur Ajay Kumar Bhalla on Saturday, two-day national seminar on renowned theatre maestro Ratan Tiyam at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipuri Dance Academy, JNMDA, Imphal. The governor, accompanied by the First Lady, led the gathering in paying floral tribute to the portrait of the late cultural icon at JNMDA campus. The seminar is jointly organized by Manipur State Kala Academy, MSKA and JNMDA. On the occasion, the governor felicitated the wife and family members of Ratan Tiyam and released a half-yearly journal of MSKA titled Manipuri Culture and Literature, dedicated to the legendary theatre personality. An unfeatured documentary film titled Ratan Tiyam, The Man of Theatre, was also screened during the inaugural session, portraying the life and works of the celebrated Manipuri playwright and director. The film highlights Tiyam's unique blending of traditional Manipuri art forms and martial arts with contemporary social and political themes, underlining his lasting contribution to modern Indian theatre. Addressing the gathering, the governor lauded Ratan Tiyam's outstanding contribution to Indian and Manipuri theatre, citing iconic productions such as Chakravyuha, Uttar Priyadarshi and 9 Hills, One Valley as enduring messages of peace, harmony and cultural continuity. He noted that over a career spanning more than 5 decades, Tiyam placed Manipur on the global cultural map and served as an ambassador of the state's rich heritage. Expressing hope that the seminar would inspire young theatre practitioners, the governor urged all to carry forward Ratan Tiyam's message of peace and harmony through the arts. Vice Chairman of JNMDA, Longjam Joy Chandra, and noted poet-writer Dr. Udayan Vajpayee also spoke on the life and legacy of the late cultural icon. United People's Front UPF President N. Rupachandra asserted that failure to learn from the incidents of historic past, today's generation are suppressing one another. The president made a statement during the 192nd National Reconsolidation Month observance held at Manipur Press Club today under the theme Aikoi Amuk Khuntak Laroisi. Vice Chancellor of Khungnang Thaba University, Professor Naurim Joy Kumar, DM University Department of History Assistant Professor Dr. Malim Ningthauja and Associate Professor Dr. Syed Ahmed, among others, attended the event. UPF President Rupachandra said, efforts have been made to take correct step by rectifying errors occurred in the historic past to march forward for a better state. However, today's generation remains unable to learn from the past, emphasizing the importance of collective strength for Manipuri identity. He added that among the programs organized by UPF includes a seminar, workshop and discussions on campaign for protection and promotion of Manipuri national identity with an objective to promote awareness and motivate the youths.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯇꯥꯛꯂꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯤꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 9ꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯤꯂꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯟꯊꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯀꯪꯂꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯇꯔꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯇ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯤꯂꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯟ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Kuki National Organization KNO and United People's Front UPF have told the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA that creating a union territory with a legislature is the only constitutional solution and viable option for justice, security and peace for the Kuki-Zo people. A joint press release of the KNO and UPF informed that they held the second round of tripartite talks in New Delhi on December 12, where they claimed that tribal lands rights in Manipur's hill districts held by village chiefs have been systematically undermined by state policies. They also accused the valley sub-registrars of illegally registered land deeds in hill districts, bypassing the Hill Areas Committee and violating the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Act 1960. The KNO and UPF claimed the Manipur government's actions since May 3, 2023, including physical separation of populations, weaponization of state machinery against tribals, and systematic obliteration from the Imphal Valley, are clear indicators of the government's abdication of constitutional responsibilities. The Kuki armed groups went on to allege that the government has been an aggressor against the tribal population, making reintegration under the existing framework impossible. On December 13, Manipur police seized 7 soap cases of heroin number 4 following the arrest of a 47-year-old suspected drug dealer in Imphal East district. The accused, identified as Abasi Mayum Yaibi of Porumpad Pangal Leirak, was apprehended from the same locality in an operation carried out under the jurisdiction of Porumpad police station. Security forces recovered a cache of arms, explosives and ammunition during a search operation conducted at Moltinchan village area under Suknu police station in Kakching district on December 13. Recovered items include 1 SLR without magazine, 1 locally made bolt-action sniper rifle with an empty magazine, 1 DBBL, 1 SBPL, 1 locally made pistol with an empty magazine, 1 36 HE hand grenade without detonator, 1 empty magazine of 7.62 LMG, 3 tube launchings, 15 rounds of SLR ammunition, 5 stun shells and 1 51 mm HE bomb. Security forces and Manipur police arrested insurgent cadres of various groups in a series of coordinated operations carried out on December 13 across Imphal West, Imphal East and Bishnupur districts. In Imphal West district, security forces arrested an active cadre of Pambai-led UNLF identified as Karam Manikanta alias Amuba, alias MK Kuman, 46, of Lambui Khungnangkhong from Lamphil supermarket area under Lamphil police station. 2 mobile handsets and a wallet containing a PAN card along with 1,020 rupees in cash were recovered from his possession. On the same day, 2 active women cadres of Koireng-led UNLF were apprehended from Moirang Kampu Sajib Makhalekai under Porumpad police station in Imphal East district. The arrested individuals were identified as Takilambam Sanathoi Chanu, alias Luingakpi, alias Sanathoi, 19 of Tumukung Awangleikai, and Kungbrailakpam Rameshwari, alias Langlin, alias Bema, alias Buchu, 19 of Moirangkampu Saji Makhalaikai. 2 mobile phones were seized from them. Meanwhile, security forces arrested 2 active cadres of Pripak Pro from Kanchipur area under Singzamay Police Station in Imphal West District. The arrested cadres were identified as Ketramium Abhinash, 21 of Kakching Thonglan Pareng, Kakching District, and Rajkumar Daniel, 31, alias Loya Taba, alias Jesse, alias Nauton of Kwakatil Thokchom Laikai, Imphal West District. Recoveries from their possession included a 9mm pistol with a magazine loaded with 12 rounds, 2 rounds of .38 ammunition, 3 mobile handsets, and 1 two-wheeler. In a separate operation, Manipur police arrested another active cadre of Pripak Pro, identified as Thangjam Priyoberta, alias Yokhatpa, 35 of Kumbi Mayalekai, Ward number 6, under Kumbi Police Station, Bishnupur District, from his residence. Now, before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Yaol Tours and Travel na Delhi da leiba irei chagi oina lam koibagi khudong chaba atopa service chingdagi ataba mamalda service pijari loinana thamjariba driver khudingmak Manipuri macha ngaktani All India gi leiriba popular tourist places Manali, Agra, Ladakh, Rishikesh, Vrindavan, Mathura na chingba mafam singda chatpiningbagi su khudong chaba pijari masigi sumathakta airport pickup and drop ki khudong chaba su pijari loinana Yaol courier service na khudong chaba kayama su pijari Delhi dagi pot thadokpa matamda Delhi NCR gi oina kg chamadagi hen kragadi pickup charges free oijagani Delhi to Imphal, Imphal to Delhi courier service ki charges ahongba mamalda service taujari all over India gi oina service taujai courier service asi air amadi road animakta khudong chaba loina pijai akupa marol gi damak pijariba contact number sing asida contact tawbirakpa yagani.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. More news and updates. Transgender social activist Malim Thongam is planning to cycle on National Highway 2 to Imphal despite travel restrictions of Meitei community in Kuki inhabited areas. Notably, Malim is riding for peace in Manipur starting from October 2 under the theme Cycling for Manipur Peace. Addressing a press meet held today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, Nongpuk Lengak Apun Manupilup General Secretary Nungthombam Ongbi Radhamani highlighted the significance of Malim's journey, stating that she has been embarking on her cycling journey to spread messages of restoration of peace in the strife-torn state. Further appealing to the people to welcome and encourage her along the way, Radhamani informed that Malim has reached Dimapur and is expected to reach Senapati on December 17. She continued that the transgender social activist will proceed to Imphal via National Highway 2 from Senapati again.
Malim Thongam transgender social activist mahangna tangdu laitaba pamjaba ingtapa pamjaba asina maram oiraga Delhi kutuminar dagi cycle gi rally ama peace forum abagi damakta mahangna khongchat asi chatpa hauki aduga mahagi khongchat asi kana gumba kangpu amattagi nate aikoi lamdam sida tangdu laitaba oihanbiu ingtapa oihanbiu haibagi damakta mahangna hojaujimak cycle rally asi thoraga chali aduna mahangna Manipur yaurpa asida lamdam sida lairiba ireisa khuding mangna mahak pupun thogatpa oina mahak upinabagi damakta mahangna lakpa matamda khoigi lambian gi nak yata khoigi ireisa khuding mangna mahaku opiu haibasi khoi media gi thongda haijari.
As part of its sustained campaign against plastic pollution along with Ashok Traders, Eco Network Manipur collected large amounts of plastic waste from Hairok Part 2, Thokchom Lekai, and exchanged with money today. According to a press release issued by its president, Sinthangamba Laishram, Eco Network Manipur informed that the initiative marks the 36th edition of the campaign. It further called for collective efforts towards curbing the menace of plastic waste. Now moving on to the national and international news. National Energy Conservation Day was observed today to raise awareness about the importance of energy conservation and to highlight India's achievements in energy efficiency. On the occasion, President Draupadi Murmu felicitated winners of National Energy Conservation Awards (NECA) 2025 and National Painting Competition on Energy Conservation 2025 at a function held in New Delhi. Addressing the gathering, the President said that energy conservation is no longer an option, but necessity of the present time. She emphasized that every unit of energy saved reflects responsibility towards nature and sensitivity towards future generations. President Murmu noted that India has taken significant steps in energy conservation and clean energy transition and has fulfilled its clean energy commitments ahead of the stipulated time frame, marking a major achievement in energy efficiency and decarbonization. Union Minister for Power Manohar Lal congratulated the winners of NECA 2025, stating that the awards reflect how development and environmental conservation can go hand in hand. He also congratulated the winners of National Painting Competition, noting that over 83 lakh students from more than 1.10 lakh schools across the country participated. In the Best Performing State Awards in Energy Efficiency, Karnataka secured first prize in Group 1, Andhra Pradesh in Group 2, Kerala in Group 3, Assam in Group 4 and Chandigarh in Group 5. In the National Painting Competition on Energy Conservation 2025, Anuj Prince from Ambala won first prize in Group A, while Soumya Jeet Malik from Orissa emerged as the winner in Group B. Australian police on Sunday responded to suspected mass shooting at Sydney's Bondi Beach after reports of multiple gunshots sparked panic among beachgoers, prompting authorities to urge the public to avoid the area and take shelter. New South Wales Police said that they were dealing with a developing incident at the popular beach precinct and confirmed that officers were deployed on the ground. Police in a post on X said, anyone at the scene should take shelter, adding that further information would be released as it became available. Local media reported that several shots were fired in quick succession, though it was not immediately clear if anyone had been injured. Videos circulating on social media showed people fleeing across Bondi Beach as gunshots and police sirens were heard, footage that Reuters said it could not independently verify. The Guardian reported that video viewed by its journalist appeared to show two men dressed in black firing near a bridge, with around a dozen shots audible as crowds scattered in fear. The Prime Minister's office said the federal government was aware of the situation and urged people in the vicinity to follow information from NSW police. A spokesperson for Prime Minister Anthony Albanese said police have secured parts of the area and continued operations as they assess the situation, advising residents and visitors to stay away from Bondi Beach until further updates are issued. In the sports news, Manipur Jeet Kuki-Zo team has left Imphal today to participate at the 36th National Jeet Kuki-Zo Championship, which will be held at Talkotara Stadium in New Delhi from December 16. According to a press release issued by All Manipur Kung Fu Brotherhood Union Secretary, the Manipur team, comprising 29 players and 8 officials, left Imphal this afternoon. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur Pradesh MLA set to attend crucial meeting in New Delhi today following call sent by BJP High Command. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla inaugurates two-day national seminar on renowned theatre maestro Ratan Tiam at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, JNMDA, Imphal. And today's generation should strive to understand incidents from historic past, asserts United People's Front President Andrew Pachandra. Now that's all we have for today's Afternoon English News. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good day.